are in Siargao Island, Philippines, and we are staying in Isla Cabana Resort. I'm gonna show you our deluxe room, and then I'm gonna show you later on the poolside and then the beach. Welcome to our lovely cabana. We have here a king-size bed and very comfortable. And look at this welcome swan made from towels and some flower and plants. It looks very lovely. Then look at this, the wall. It has this special lighting, which is really nice. And we have here a TV, air condition, this lovely mirror, a little bit seat if you wanted to like check some emails or something. Then this part is very nice as well. Sofa couch, tiny one, but it's good when you're like coming from outdoor activities, from the beach or the pool, and you get in and watch TV or just simply relax. So you can sit in here and look at this mural. It's very lovely, hand painted in this wall. And above all, the top ceiling, the high ceiling that gives you this spacious, airy, roomy feeling. And now, let's go to the toilet area. We have here a sink, big mirror, hair dryer, some toiletries, and the bathtub with hot shower. This place, by the way, that we're gonna go, is a very interesting place. Come. Because this is an area where you can wash yourself when you come from the beach directly to the hotel. You don't need to go to the entrance, but you have to come back here and wash your sandy feet. Look. Looks nice, right? All right. So now we are going to the pool area and the beach. And oh, by the way, we have this couch here in the balcony that if you want to just sit down and relax, enjoy the garden view or sip of coffee in the morning, or if you just want to relax before heading to the beach or the pool, you can sit down here. And here's another chair. You can just relax and sit down or sunbathing a little bit. And